Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Excel channel. Today we will see how we can set a page in Excel. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open uh, one blank Excel. Then before writing or before typing anything, just go to file and say print. He will say we didn't find anything to print. Then what you have to do is just go here, go on page setup, say just OK and come back. Here you can see a dotted line. It is your page setup of A4 size. By default it will take A4. Okay. From here, this is the bottom and above is the top. Okay. And you will get to know this is your page. And if you want to make a page some bigger, then use Ctrl P. This print preview will appear and go for page setup and go here margin. Set your margin how much you want. Top side I will make 0.5. Left also I will make 0.5. Bottom I will reduce 0.25. Right I will reduce 0.45. It depends upon you. Then click on horizontally, like it will adjust horizontally. We don't want to make vertical because if you make a vertical, no, it will be difficult for you to adjust the page in future. So make horizontally, say click OK, then go back, then your page will size will increase. As you can see, this is the one method you can apply before typing anything on the Excel. I hope you will like this shortcut. Please share and subscribe to my channel 5 Minutes Excel. Thank you.